Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add text to your Instagram picture. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, tap the plus icon at the top of the screen. A pop-up will appear. Tap on Post. You'll now see all the recent pictures in your device's gallery. Choose the photo you want to add text to and select it. Once you've picked the photo, tap Next in the top right corner. Here, you can apply filters or edit the photo as you like. At the top of the screen, you'll find several options. Tap the text icon to add text to your image. Now, start typing your message. You can customize the text by changing the font, color, and alignment. To resize or move the text, simply pinch and drag it around the screen. When you're happy with the text, tap Next in the bottom right corner. Now, you can add a caption, tags, or location if you'd like. Finally, tap Share to post your picture with text on Instagram. By following these simple steps, you can easily add text to your Instagram pictures and share them with your followers. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching.